Good morning. Welcome to preschool. But first, make sure your hand is washed and your temperature is checked.
Okay.
Would you like to have a look around our room? This is our Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Board. This is where we have our children that speak other languages.
Okay.
No one gets forgotten.
Yep.
This is our interest table. This month we have been focusing on health and fitness. We are looking at good foods we need to eat and exercising as well. You can see some examples right here. As our British Value Board, we respect each other, we work together, we take turns and make new friends. And don't forget all the languages we speak. This is our role play area. And for healthy eating, we also set up food for the children to play with. They have their onions, they can chop them up themselves with our nice right here. And also we have our pots, which they get to wash up after all their, this is our understanding the world area, and this is where our imagination comes alive. We are going to be building a house right now and learning to use our physical development. Holding this hammer and learning to build it in is helping with my strength and my wrist right now. Now, this is our birthday board. No child gets left behind. We all celebrate together. This is some of my children's work as well. They have been learning how to write their names. And also, we can use the letters from our names to match it to other objects. With the sound we can also get mat, and with the visual timetable, just to help us understand what the next step in our routine is going to be. We have a picture of what our food is going to be, so we know it's breakfast time. Also, if we have additional languages, this is very helpful, so we know what we've got planned for the rest of the day. Preschool family tree. We are one big happy family. Come with me. And now this is our signing in area. The children will come in after breakfast, they'll find their names, sign themselves in, while learning to recognize their names. And also, this is our key worker board, so every child knows who their special teachers are requirement. Every child is different, and we need to know what they're allowed to eat and what they're not. Safety first. And now over here, we have our little ICT area, where the children learn to advance on their communication skills. Hello? Mummy? Yes. What are we making? What time are you coming to pick me up? Oh no, not yet. We don't finish until 6 o'clock. We do get thirsty, so the children know it's available to them anytime they would like to have a drink. Don't mind this, we're getting ready for St. Patrick's Day. And this is our water area. At this moment, we have sea creatures in there. So the children do learn about who lives in the water. We have a fish, a seal, and a shark. And in our sound area at the moment, we have been learning our sounds and starting to do spellings. So we have S-A-T for sat, and we also have letter E and R for rat and eat. And for children's safety, as soon as we finish playing with our sand and water, we discard it away and put new ones back in. This is where we do our circle time. The children come here, look for their names on their trays, get out their mats, and then sit down. Get out their mats, put it down, and sit down and get ready for circle time. And while we're doing circle time, we might also have a story time. So they can come out, pull out a book, and we can get ready to read together. Right here, we have a black tray filled with different objects and different textures as well. And the children are going to try to match the objects to the correct numbers. So if I ask a child, can I have 2 seashells, please? They will pick up the seashell, and we can also talk about how the seashell feels. Is it rough? Is it smooth? Hard or soft? Afterwards, we can also try to write by ourselves the numbers that we can see. We are having a science experiment this week. We are watching the petals change colors. We can look at the petals, we can feel how soft they are, we can talk about how they smell, and then an adult is going to help the child cut the stem. We're going to cut it diagonally, and then we're going to put it in water and wait about an hour and look at the colors change. While we're doing that, we can also talk about what different colors mixed together can make.
Well done. Malay. Next letter, next sound. Now, well done, very good. Can you give me another word? Starting with sound. Yes, astronauts, well done. The next one is. Can you give me a word starting with sound? Yes, Malay. Prisha, can you put your hands up, please, if you know any other words? Yes, Aria. Tan, well done. Well done. Next one is sounds for letter M is If you know any word starting with sound put your hands up. Yes, Ola. Mommy, well done. Very good.
Thank you for visiting the preschool room. Hopefully, we'll see you again. You say bye, preschool.
Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.